Atharva, in association with Blue Ocean Resort and Spa and Ashwagandha Entertainment Private Limited, is organizing Indian Princess, a unique nationwide beauty pageant for young girls to showcase their talent and give them enormous opportunity in the field of fashion. A concept by Mr. Sunil Rane, Chairman Indian Princess and Executive President, Atharva Group of Institutes, Mumbai. The success and overwhelming response of last year's Western Indian Princess incited us to present Indian Princess, your route to international runways. We now have 3 exclusive international licenses. The winner of Indian Princess 2011 will represent India at an international beauty pageant, Miss Intercontinental. And a finalist will compete to become top model of the world, organized by World Beauty Organization, participated by 72 countries worldwide. Another finalist will compete for International Model of the Year. The mega launch of Indian Princess, held at the JW Marriott, Mumbai, in September, saw the unveiling of the crown with eminent designers and celebrities gracing the grand evening. Atharva believes in social entrepreneurship. Indian Princess 2011 is in honor of our gallant soldiers who laid down their lives for our country. We will identify and support families of these Shaheed Jawans with financial aid and their children with educational scholarships. Western Indian Princess supported the social cause of right to education with synchronized education to the students in the remote areas of rural Maharashtra. The aspiring model will be undergoing the process of auditions across 14 cities of India in the month of November and December, following which around 30 shortlisted finalists will be given comprehensive training at the 5-star Blue Ocean Resort and Spa, Ganpati Phule, Ratnagiri, by industry experts, which will make all the finalists industry ready to launch their career in the fashion world. These 30 gorgeous girls will then fly to Thailand for a stringent training by veterans and international experts in choreography, styling and poise. This will ensure that the beauties get the best possible exposure at the Prince Humphrey Resort and Spa, Chiang Mai, Thailand, which will be followed by an Indo-Thai fashion carnival, an eclectic blend of Indian and Thai culture. Oomph, grandeur and elegance will mark this summit as the finalists will serenade the runways on this unique platform, a first of its kind. The breathtaking sight would be witnessed by the Swish set of Thailand, providing a lovely opportunity for the ladies. The grand finale of Indian Princess is scheduled to be held at the Chitrakoot grounds, Mumbai, on 25th February 2011, with the presence of renowned celebrities, fashion designers, socialites and industrialists. Young, ambitious women have dreamt of wearing the crown of Indian Princess. The event has reached epic proportions as entries from all over the world. Some even from South Africa have sent their demands to be seen as Miss Intercontinental from India, a pageant of national pride. The Indian Princess is sure to leave a lasting impression in the fashion fraternity of India as well as the world. There is something in it for everyone. So come, join hands and help make this event a memorable success.